This is a hair dryer for kids. Obviously, it's just marketed for kids. It's the same size as a normal hair dryer. It works all the same, but it's a really cool blue color, and it does come with some stickers so you can kind of decorate it and make it more cute. Let me show you a close-up look of how this works. This is a cute box for the hair dryer. It comes with some fun stickers that your kids can use to decorate with, as well as a diffuser. And here's the hair dryer. It does have a safety plug, so you can use this to test or reset. And this is used to keep the cord nice and tidy. There's a safety button for turning it on. You have to push down and then you can do 1 or 2. And then there's also a cool button if you want the air to come out cool. This is how it sounds on level 1, and that's level 2. With the button pressed in like this, it's warm air. If you depress it, it's cool air. So I'm going to press it in again. So now it's warm again, and it just takes a couple seconds to warm up. This was sent to us so we could make this video, and my boys really like it. They have always really struggled to dry their hair. They just don't like doing it with a towel. They don't really need a hair dryer, but because they have this now, they think it's so much fun. So they actually use this and they more or less play with it, but they finally dry their hair. So I'm really happy that they have this and they're able to use this to dry their hair. They really like it. It works really well. It's nice that it has the different power settings and the button to make it cool if you want to. Overall, it's a really nice hair dryer.